Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on screen sharing so the Mac accepts remote connections. This is both the permission and the gate. Open System Settings, go to General, then Sharing, and toggle Screen Sharing or Remote Management. Once done, pick which users may connect and set a strong local account password. This controls who gains control. Also make sure you know the Mac's IP address and verify it's on the same network or note the public IP for outside access. You now initiate the connection from your MacBook Air. In Finder, choose Go right arrow connect to server and type VNC / followed by the remote IP, or launch the screen sharing app and paste the address. Next, enter the remote Mac OS username and password you allowed earlier. This authenticates and prevents prompts. Make sure to set display scaling and clipboard sharing to your preference. If performance lags, reduce resolution or enable compression, and prefer wired or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for stability. You finish by closing the session cleanly, log out or lock the remote Mac so nothing stays exposed. Once done, make sure security is tightened. Use strong passwords, restrict access to specific users, enable the Mac OS firewall, and consider an SSH tunnel or VPN for remote access across the internet. If something goes wrong, first verify the IP and ping the remote machine, confirm screen sharing is active, and check that port 5900 is not blocked. Restarting the sharing service often resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.